Hello everyone, welcome to Blockchain Tutorial Series. My name is Vivian, and in this video we're going to talk about how to create our first smart contract in Ethereum. So, what is Ethereum? Ethereum is a public blockchain, and whereas Hyperledger is a private one. So, the code which we write in Ethereum are called as smart contracts. So, in this, we're going to talk about creating our own first smart contract, and this Ethereum is generally the smart contracts in Ethereum are written in Solidity, a language called as Solidity, which is similar to JavaScript. So, first of all, before we start off, I'm going to tell you that creating your smart contract, we are going to create a smart contract in the next couple of minutes. So before that, we need to have our MetaMask account. Right, so I'm going to type MetaMask. So now here we have our MetaMask. Okay, so first thing that we're going to do is we need to set up the environment. Right, so the first thing that we have to do is we need to set up an environment. To write a smart contract, we need a network, right? So in this case it is the Ethereum network, which means that we have to connect to an Ethereum network or a test network. All right, first of all, let me get the Chrome extension of this. All right, so why do you actually use MetaMask? We use MetaMask because to make the browser a distributed one. In order to make a browser distributed one, we need to add a plugin, right? So in this case, we add MetaMask. MetaMask is a browser plugin that allows users to make Ethereum transactions through regular websites, right? That is the simplest definition that I've made on my own. So I'm gonna add this to Chrome, add extension. So all right, so it'll pop up you another window and get started. So this thing comes over here first things. So see, you have no, I've already see phrase. Let's get up to import your old value. I have my own wallet, so I'm gonna click on that, agree. And then in your case, you need to create your own wallet. So all right, so if you do not have an account, then you need to create your account using, you'll be pop up with a create password, new password, and then you'll be you'll be popped up with a, it'll ask you to give a question, security question, and the process follows. So I'm going to open my own MetaMask account, which I already have. um, and creation of a new MetaMask account and how do you earn ethers in that, I'm gonna take another video for that. So here I am. I've created a new account. So in this we're gonna work on test network. You've got a lot of test networks. Since we are in the learning phase, it's so we're gonna work on a test network instead of the main Ethereum network. So I'm gonna work on ring-weight test network. So this is my account. As you can see, these are my account details, and this is my account address that I can use in order to receive any sort of ethers or send ethers to other accounts as well. So right now in this ether I've got 0 ether, as you can see over here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna log out from my account, and then so I have sent 5 ethers from another account that I had to this account that I've created just now. So we have 5 ethers in our account right now, in our MetaMask account. So how do you actually write the smart contract in Ethereum?